Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Williams here in the UK. Today we're discussing something that quietly affects many older adults at night.
Many people believe it's just a part of getting older, but frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom could signal changes in your kidneys, hormones, or heart function.
If you've ever felt tired, irritable, or lightheaded in the morning after waking multiple times at night, you're not alone. By the end of this video, I'll share a simple, natural drink and daily routine that can help reduce those nighttime interruptions.
Hello, friends. Take a moment to pause. Have you ever slept for just an hour and suddenly woke up needing to use the bathroom? After returning to bed, you find it hard to fall asleep, your mind feels restless, and your body uncomfortable. The next morning, you wake up feeling weak, lightheaded, and easily irritated. If this happens often, it's important to pay attention. This isn't just a sign of aging. Your body is sending an important signal that many older adults tend to ignore. Many think it's normal because I'm getting older. But waking up in the middle of the night to urinate, especially 2 or 3 times, is a clear warning that your body's natural nighttime processes are being disrupted. Today, I want to reveal a simple solution. A drink that is not a strange tonic, an expensive medication, or a traditional myth. This drink works with your body's natural mechanisms. If taken correctly and at the right time, you can feel its benefits as early as the first night. But before I get to that, it's important to understand that this isn't just about the bladder. It's about the connection between your kidneys, hormones, heart, and daily habits. Even a small imbalance can affect your body at night when it should be resting. Hello, and welcome to Dr. Sarah Williams' Health Channel. I'm Dr. Sarah Williams, focusing on healthy aging. Here, we discuss ways to live more comfortably and confidently in later life without fear of silent illnesses. Before we continue, please like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. It's free but helps me continue sharing health advice for older adults. Also, comment with your age and location. I read every comment to understand what health issues are most common in those aged 50, 60, or 70 plus. Your feedback is invaluable. Let's discuss an issue often overlooked but impactful, waking at night to urinate. In medical terms, this is called nocturia. Occasional nighttime trips are normal, especially after drinking more fluids or in cold weather. However, if this happens almost every night 2 or 3 times, it's no longer normal. It affects your quality of life. Interrupted sleep prevents your body from naturally restoring itself. The result: morning fatigue, dizziness, emotional instability, and reduced focus. For some, it can trigger heart palpitations or fluctuating blood pressure. Nocturia isn't just about a full bladder. It's the outcome of multiple body systems not syncing properly at night. With age, fluid balance becomes more fragile. In older men, an enlarged prostate can press on the urinary tract, making the bladder feel full sooner than it is. In older women, weaker pelvic floor muscles can trigger earlier urges. Kidney function naturally declines with age, delaying fluid elimination until night. Levels of antidiuretic hormone, ADH, which regulates fluid, also decline, keeping kidneys active while you sleep. Older adults with heart conditions should also be cautious. Fluid that accumulates in the legs during the day returns to circulation at night, prompting the kidneys to work harder and increasing nighttime urination. Nocturia isn't sudden. It results from daily habits, hormonal changes, and organ aging. It can't be solved by simply limiting evening drinks or resisting the urge to urinate. In the next section, I'll share real patient stories to show how small habits, sometimes overlooked, contribute to nocturia, often through diet and drinking routines that seem harmless. Understanding this is the first step toward better sleep. Nighttime urination often stems from repeated small habits rather than sudden causes. A few weeks ago, a 67-year-old gentleman came to my clinic. He looked tired, with drooping eyes and slow steps. Sitting down, he sighed deeply and said, "Dr. Sarah, I'm exhausted. I wake up 2 to 3 times every night, and it's hard to sleep after. In the morning, I feel like I've done hard labor." He was a retired civil servant with a history of heart disease since 55. Initially, he thought this was simply due to age and his heart condition. On deeper inquiry, the issue was surprisingly simple and often overlooked. His fluid intake during the day was low, but he drank heavily in the late afternoon and evening. He also ate boiled eggs every evening. While seemingly healthy, he boiled the eggs too long, causing the yolks to oxidize. Oxidized food makes the body retain fluid, which is then eliminated at night, causing repeated trips to the bathroom. I've seen similar patterns in other patients. A 62-year-old woman who overcooked eggs every evening, unknowingly retaining fluid. A 71-year-old man who added too much salt to his eggs, increasing kidney workload at night. From these three cases, the pattern is clear. Small daily habits, not serious disease, often trigger nocturia. As we age, the body becomes more sensitive. Minor errors that once had little effect now impact nighttime sleep. Nocturia reflects how we treat our body during the day. In the next section, we'll explore how correcting daily habits forms the foundation for better sleep and reduced nighttime urination. After hearing patient stories, it's important to understand the physiological changes behind nocturia. Without this foundation, solutions often feel trial and error. After age 55, natural body changes occur gradually, often unnoticed, but strongly felt at night. Antidiuretic hormone, ADH, declines. ADH signals the kidneys to retain fluid at night. Lower levels mean the kidneys remain active, causing nighttime awakenings around 2 to 3 a.m. Kidney function decreases. Yearly decline in filtering efficiency means fluids that should be excreted during the day are delayed until night. Heart and vascular sensitivity. Older adults with heart issues or high blood pressure retain fluid more easily. At night, when lying down, this fluid returns to circulation, prompting kidney elimination. These changes highlight one key point: older adults' bodies are extremely sensitive. Afternoon and evening habits, diet, fluid intake, salt consumption affect the body hours later while sleeping. Nocturia isn't an isolated event. It's the result of interactions between hormones, kidneys, heart, and daily routines. The good news: although aging can't be stopped, we can help the body work in harmony with the right strategies. Next, I'll discuss the correct daily drinking pattern. Not just how much, but also when to drink. This timing is often the key to reducing nighttime kidney activity. Many people focus on miracle drinks or medicines, but the main issue often lies in daily fluid habits. It's not about how much water you drink, but when you drink it. Common mistakes in older adults: drinking too little in the morning and early afternoon, compensating with large amounts in the late afternoon or evening. After 55, thirst perception declines, so delayed drinking can overload the kidneys at night. Kidneys need 3 to 5 hours to process fluids. Drinking 2 glasses at 5 p.m. peaks kidney activity around 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. right when you want uninterrupted sleep. Other factors also stimulate kidney activity. Caffeine in tea or coffee, sugary drinks, salty foods. Diet plays a role too. Overcooked or heavily salted foods increase fluid retention during the day, leading to nighttime urination. Point 6. So, what's the correct drinking pattern? Simple and realistic. Morning, 1 to 2 glasses after waking. Daytime, 2 to 3 glasses spaced evenly. Late afternoon, up to 5 p.m. 1 glass. Evening/night. Only sip if very thirsty. This routine allows kidneys to complete most work before bedtime, reducing night trips. Once drinking habits are corrected, a simple drink can further support nighttime balance. Without proper hydration timing, even the best drinks won't work effectively. Now, let's reveal the simple drink that helps reduce nighttime urination. Take 150 to 200 milliliters of warm water, add 1/2 teaspoon of honey, drink about 1 hour before bed. Why it works? Warm water relaxes the nervous system, reducing false bladder signals. Honey stabilizes hormones and blood sugar, supporting natural ADH function. This prevents kidneys from overworking and reduces nighttime heart palpitations. It also soothes mild bladder irritation caused by daytime habits, controlling signals to urinate. A 67-year-old patient with heart issues tried this and, after 3 nights, reduced awakenings from 2 to 3 times to once per night. For best results, don't exceed 1/2 teaspoon of honey, don't mix with other ingredients, ginger, lemon, etc. Don't drink too close to bedtime or with nighttime medications. Leave at least a 30-minute gap. The goal isn't to eliminate urination entirely, but to help the body regulate naturally. Better sleep improves energy, mental clarity, and quality of life. Listen to your body's signals, adjust daily habits, and use this simple drink correctly. If you found this video useful, share it with your parents, friends, and peers. See you in the next video on Dr. Sarah Williams' Health Channel. Thank you and take care.